how to transfer money from PayPal to PayPal. So here's how it works. First, you will need to log into your PayPal account. Next, we're going to select send/request from the home screen here. Now, what you have to do is to go and search for the person's name. So here, we're going to click on the search bar and you want to search for the PayPal account which you want to send money to. So here, as you can see, I find myself, my other account, then I'm going to click on it. Now here you will choose the amount which you want to send. So for example here, 20 euros. And then we're gonna go and add a note. So then you want to click on send and it's going to take you to a new page where it's going to ask for the payment method. So you will be able to choose your payment method here if you click on it. And then also why are you sending this money? We're going to click on goods and services and we can change this to friends and family. If you change it to friends and family and click on continue, then the money won't be withheld for an amount of time, and that's how you send money. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.